In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an email template into Mailchimp. If you already have an email design built in HTML and you're ready to bring it into Mailchimp, this walkthrough will get you there quickly and confidently. From your Mailchimp dashboard, look over to the left pane and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email work begins. Next, choose Email, and then click Create Email at the top right. This opens the flow for building a new message so you can plug in your custom design without starting from scratch. On the next screen, select Design Email. You'll see different ways to build, but for a pre-built template, choose Use HTML to code my own. This option tells Mailchimp you've already done the design work and just need to import it. At this point, you have three ways to proceed: paste in your code, import a zip file, or import from a URL. If your template is a single HTML file and you're comfortable working directly with the markup, choose Paste in your code. Simply copy your complete HTML, ideally with inline CSS for better email client support, and paste it into the editor. Make sure your image links are correct and publicly accessible, and keep styles email safe so they render well across inboxes. If your design includes multiple assets, like images and a style sheet you've inlined, importing a zip is often cleaner. Package your files into a single zip with your main HTML file, commonly named index.html, at the root, and any images and folders as referenced by your HTML. Mailchimp will upload and host those assets for you, which helps prevent broken images later. Finally, if your template is hosted online, you can import from a URL. Provide the direct, publicly accessible link to your HTML file. For best results, use absolute URLs for images and assets so everything pulls in correctly. Keep in mind that some external CSS may be limited by email client constraints, so prioritize inline styles and email-safe formatting. After you choose one of these options and upload or paste your design, Mailchimp will display your template so you can confirm that everything looks the way you expect. This is a great moment to scan for formatting issues, check image paths, and ensure your layout fits typical email widths for readability. And there you go. By navigating to Campaigns, creating an email, selecting Design Email, choosing Use HTML to code my own, and then pasting your code, importing a zip, or importing from a URL, you've successfully brought your custom template into Mailchimp. That's all.